Next, the sum of AP is -5, -8, -11, blah blah blah, -230 is -8930. It should be, here the question should be like this: the sum of the AP -5, -8, -11, blah blah blah, -230 is -8930. Means these are the terms and the total is -8930. So let's check. A equals to -5, first term. Common difference is what? Second minus first. So -8 minus -5 -3. Right? Similarly, you can check for other also. It comes same, -3. So Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, first solve Tn. Why? Because we know Tn. Tn is -230, right? Last term. So we have to find n. So -230 equals to, see, why have we to find n? Because Sn, we want the final target as Sn. For Sn, what we require? N, A and D. A we got, D we got. We want n. N can be, we can get it from Tn, because Tn we know. -230 equals to -5 plus n minus 1 into -3. Solve this. -230 plus 5 equals to -3 into n minus 1. Solve this. So it becomes -3 into n minus 1 equals to -225. Therefore, n minus 1 equals to -225 upon 3. That is minus gone. So 225 upon 3 equals to 75. So n equals to 75 plus 1, 76. Right? So you have got n now. So Sn is easy now. Sn equals to 76 upon 2 into 2 into -5 plus 76 minus 1 into -3. Solve this. -10 minus 225 and 38 over here. So 38 into -235. So -8930. And what is the given in the question? -8930. So the statement is true. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases.